Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Ron Joshua Manimtim, #1 in Calabarzon in the December 2018 Criminologists Licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Ron.
11. All PNP members shall recognize the fact that they are public servants and not the master of the people. And towards this end, they should perform their duties without arrogance. A. Integrity. B. Delicadeza. C. Humility. D. Politeness. Go. Go. Chat na. Chat na. Hmm. Oh. Ito ang pinakakulo ko dito. Ayan. Hindi ka mayabang. Okay. Ayan. Dapat kahit public official ka, nagpapakababa ka. Ayan. So, ano yung tinutukoy? Okay, and let's see. Hindi pala na yun. Okay, B, D, B, D, C, B, C, C. Hmm? So, ano tinutukoy pag hindi mayabang? Eh di, ikaw ay humble or meron kang humility. Letter C. Ayan. Okay. Ayan o. Humility. Nakita ko lang dito sa mga links na ano, yung sinend ko kanina. Humility. The public or public servants are not masters of the people. Ayan. Hindi mo kailangan ng ano ng satisfaction or hindi mo kailangan palakpakan ka or mapansin ka. Ayos lang na ikaw yung ano, tawag na below the radar or yung hindi ka nababalita, hindi ka na sa social media, you're still performing the best kahit hindi ka napapansin yung mabuti mong gawa. Yun nga lang, pagka mali, kitang-kita agad. Kaya, public officials, especially PNP, should, I mean, should do the right thing all the time. Ngayon. Kasi nga, hindi lahat ng kabutihan nakikita. Yung laging masama. Okay. Delicadeza. Ito. Yung pinakakulo sa kanya. Okay. Sa delicadeza, you have the moral courage to sacrifice self-interest. Okay. So, hindi, mas iniisip mo yung kapakanan ng iba kaysa sa sayo. Okay. Halimbawa, yun nga nangyari kay General Sinas, yun kasi madalas ko naisip. So, kung meron siyang delikadesa, ang dapat niyang ginawa din is nag-resign. Okay? Para masacrifice ito. Yan. Kaya niya i-sacrifice yung pansarili niyang kapakanan. Okay? Isa yung yan yung principle of delicadeza. Okay? Yan. Hindi yung ma-pride pa, diga, na, oy, tuloy ako dito sa position ko. Yan. Dapat ang police may delikadesa. Okay? So pag integrity naman, ito yung tinutukoy na integrity doon sa PNP, Code of Ethics and Ethical Standards. May sarili din ng PNP Code of Ethics and Ethical Standards. So, pag meron daw integrity ang PNP members, hindi sila magiging corrupt or hindi magiging dishonest sa kanilang trabaho. Pag naman polite, di magalang ka, both in words and in action. The usual greeting made by uniformed service upon meeting and recognizing the person entitled to do it. And the most common form of courtesy in the PNP is what? Is it greetings, salute, handshake, bow? Okay, on timer. Natapos ko. Uh, hmm. Ano ba yung most common form of courtesy or pagbati at paggalang sa PNP and military? Hmm. B, 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 salute ba? hmm. Familiar tayo lahat dito. We all know that this is salute. Akang handshake. Hindi. Napakagats ko lang kayo. Yan. Salute yan, syempre. Okay. Ayun si sir. Handshake. Hindi yan handshake ka. Salute. Ah. Nabalitaan niyo ba yung yung kung ipinapasang batas? Yung magiging way of pagbati na daw ng mga Pilipino instead of handshake, minsan, di ba? Ganito na daw. Nilalagay ang kamay sa puso, tapos, yung magbabaw? Ayun. Yun daw yung most Filipino way of, of greeting another person. Ah, yun, parang pinapakita yung culture din natin. Ayan. Ay, pero sa PNP at military, salute yan. Okay. Parang Muslim. Ganun ba sa Muslims? Hmm. Oo. Nagbabaw pa tapos lalagay sa puso. Yeah. Yun. Oo. Maganda siyang pagpapakita ng Filipino culture. Yun. So, somehow preserve yung ating culture din. Yeah. So, syempre, iba naman sa PNP at military. So, salute lang sa atin. Yeah. Alright, 13. Set of norms and standards practiced by the police officers during social and other functions. These are the set of norms and standards practiced by police officers during social and other functions. Ano to? A. Social decorum. B. Police custom. C. Customs. D. Courtesy. Go. Timeran ko na. May custom, may A. C. Panig ata ang aso namin di. Panig ba? Sorry sa ingay ng aso. Okay. C. Ayan, timer na pala. Anong sagot? Letter A. Social decorum. Okay. Ano to yung ibang mga to? Okay. Social decorum. Ito na yung kanina. Courtesy. Ayan. Pag sinabing courtesy, ito yung pagpapakita ng konsiderasyon at respeto para sa iba. Courtesy. Pag naman customs, ito yung mga nakasanayan at mga parating ginagawa. Ayan. Na naging parte na ng tradisyon ng tao. Customs. Okay. This conveys a sense of moral commitment to someone or something. Ano to? A. Duty. B. Responsibility. C. Service. D. Sacrifice. Sense of moral commitment. Yan. Ano kaya ito? Duty or responsibility, service or sacrifice. B, B, hmm. A, B, hmm. B, okay. B, ah. Ano nga kaya? Ito yan. Yan ito. Duty. Di ba? Meron kang moral, ano yung sabi kanina? Moral commitment. Okay. So when you are committed or dedicated, okay, to perform your tasks. Yan. With deep sense of responsibility and self-sacrifice. Okay. So yung sagot dito ay duty. Letter. Yan. Okay.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!